Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can replace one column content with the other in Divi WordPress website. So for example, if you have multiple columns in a single row, then if you want to replace one column content with the other but you don't want to recreate, so let's enable Divi Builder, and after that we will be able to edit these sections. For example, if we have image in second column and you want this image to be first and after that text, so if you drag this module here, now here you can see this is on the bottom and you can drag this one on the right side. So now if you want to use alternative way, just you can go to settings. Here you can see columns, just you can drag and leave here. So now you can see content is replacing in the columns. Then click yes, and after that click on three dots, then save it.